Hello dear friends, welcome to a new video of Comtech Digitronics YouTube channel. In this video I am introducing Comtech Router12V UPS. Comtech Router12V UPS compatible with 12V devices having a maximum current rating of 2 amperes such as router, modem, ONT, OLT, intercom, set-top box, CCTV camera. This is completely made in India and comes with a 1-year product warranty. Comtech Router12V UPS, which gives no more interruptions to your Zoom meetings, your game nights, movie evenings. Get up to 4 hours of battery backup with Comtech Router UPS. Be it a long power cut or just a lag because of the generator, Comtech Router12V UPS ensures your connectivity 24/7. Comtech Router12V UPS comes in handy and most importantly without any disturbing sound. Comtech Router12V UPS offers zero lag switching. It also offers overcharging and deep discharge protection to ensure that the internal battery is not damaged. Let me unbox it first and show you all the items that come in the box. Inside the box there is Comtech Router12V UPS. It's compact or lightweight, just 250 grams. We get 1 bridge cable, 1 DC adapter pin, and warranty card. Now let's have a look at the product. There are 2 light indicators on the UPS marked as main red light and UPS green light near the on-off switch to indicate the status of router UPS. Before connecting the Comtech Router UPS, let us check whether it is compatible with the Wi-Fi router. Comtech Router12V UPS are compatible with Jio, Nokia, Airtel, BSNL, Comtech, Ciritech and all other 12 less than 2 ampere devices. Step 1. Check the input power rating of your Wi-Fi router. The power rating is typically mentioned in the label behind your Wi-Fi. Step 2. Check the input power rating of your AC adapter. The power rating is typically mentioned in the label behind your AC adapter. Here I am using Comtech dual band ONT. The input power rating of this Wi-Fi router is 12 volts, 1.5 ampere. As both the router and the adapter are 12 volts and under 2 ampere, they are compatible with the Comtech Router UPS. Let's begin setting up the device. Connecting our Comtech Router UPS pretty simple. Now let's switch off the main router power adapter and unplug the power cable from the back of the router. Connect the power adapter pin to the input port of Comtech Router UPS. If your power adapter has a thin pin connector, you can use the thin to thick pin connector provided in the box. Switch on the power adapter and use the bridge cable provided in the box to connect from router ups out to your Wi-Fi router. Now router UPS power switch in the off position. The indicator will show red light, indicating the power coming to the UPS from router power adapter, but it's not giving power to the router. In case of a power cut, the mains red light will go off. Soon as I switch on, it will show green light, which means that power coming to the UPS and its turn supply power to the router. In case the UPS battery is not working, UPS green light will go off. Now let's switch off the main router power adapter or take the plug out. As you can see, green light indicator, which means UPS now supplying power to the router without getting any power from main power supply. The power button on the UPS should be kept in on position all the time 24/7, so that UPS is able to charge the batteries and provide the required backup during power outages. If kept in off position, UPS will not be able to supply backup power during outages. That's all. Sit back and relax. You now have uninterrupted internet access. Your router will stay on even when the power goes down. We hope you enjoyed the installation of the Comtech Router12V UPS.